Thank you so much.
I think 17 years.
So much. Thank you so much.
Kementeri Jongka Sarkar Jela ke Kong Ampareen Lyngdoh mentakasngi kelakam baka High Court Jongka Jela Meghalaya kalawengno ya ke CBI FIR kabala mudui persyak ya ka hakamukot duma kabala syak keno Halor kaskam education jong Snem arajar kendai. Kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh kalaong baka ying kesem jongka kalamat ya ki jinge hakine ki khat hinyo Snem baladap bad hakaba mentakasngi kalayo ya ka hok ka Jingshisha hakane ka Jingshahpharep. Unongnya saj an jongka ulaong balada ke CBI kan ya syakmat ban tuklar ya ka rai sya ke Supreme Court kin tuklar hi ya ka ju kapang. Kakong Ampareen Lyngdoh kala ong ro bakan duai kerpang ban map ya kito ki bala keno ya ka.
Thank you so much.
I think 17 years.
So much. Thank you so much. Do good. God is with us. God is with us. Thank you so much. It's over. This is an important press conference for me personally. A lot of water under the bridge. I have suffered so much for 17 long years. I never retaliated. I never rebutted. I distanced myself from the courts only for the hundreds of hearings that I have had to attend, humiliating myself and feeling so disturbed. Today I remember my late mother. Mom must be happy. I told Mom I didn't do it, but she was constantly pressured. She's no longer here to enjoy this beautiful day. I think it would be in the fitness of things that we only account for ourselves. We are not answerable for anyone else, and that court judgment is specifically for me in the content of us reading the judgment with respect to my case.
This chapter is closed. Of course, CBI has a right to challenge the order before the Supreme Court. Whether or not they'll avail of it is another question. But the Honorable High Court has found her to be not involved in any of the charges that she was accused of. As on date, that's the status. See, there's a difference between asking the CBI to investigate and to say that you find her guilty. There's a difference between that. CBI had only been asked to investigate. Now, the charge sheet that they filed was flawed, and therefore the court held that case is not made out.